Good morning, students. Okay, today we're going to talk about Google Sites, and so we're going to go through the basics. So first, how do we find Google Sites? The best way to do it is go to Google and just type in sites in the search field here, and you can see it comes down Google Sites, or you can type it at google.com. Okay, so now we can see that we have our Google Sites page open. Mine's already signed in. If you haven't signed in, you'll need to sign in with your username and password, and then you just click on the word create, and then it will ask you to name your site. Now when you name your site, you need to pick something that's probably not already gone. If you pick something fairly generic like my site, it's probably been used, and so you need to give it a different name. So I'm going to call this J6F test site, and that will then transfer that name into one word or one sentence without spaces, and that will be what will be the address for the website, like the URL. And so you can see it there. You went there, that's it, just there. And then you just need to type in a code here, SWROT. Sometimes this will be a bit tricky. You also can select a theme. So if you go down here, you can choose, I like the branches one, that's nice, we can try that one. And then you also, more options here, you can put a description. My test site. And then you don't need to tick this box. This is just for if you want to use the site for adults, and of course we're all students, so we don't need to worry about that. And then then we're done. So now we just need to go down and create the site, and we look for this big create. It's all in red. That's quite easy. We just click create. Please wait. Creating. It takes a little while, but that's no problem. So create your site, and there we have it, J6F test site. Now of course, if you want to get started, you just need to click the edit page, and then you can start writing in hello world. Of course there's lots of other functions that we can go through. You have all the normal buttons, like you can make the text bold, you can italicize it, you can change the color, you can put bullets or numbers, you can create tables, and you can also create extra pages. You can change your layout. Up here you have your site name. If you're happy with that, you can just click on save. So you've done that and then you've got this little down button here. This is where you can you can manage your site, you can edit the layout. So there's lots of things you can do, but this is just to get you started. Maybe you can have a look at these different settings, and then if you need any more help, you can send me an email or come and ask me, or you can wait for our next lesson. Goodbye, students. I'll talk to you again soon.